soft open. Ooh, that's a light tailgate. That's growing on me. I very honestly think they should have made a single cab. Or like a Hummer-sized bed. Like a H2 Hummer-sized bed. That would be kind of cool. Alright, so this thing spins over. It's not recognizing part. I'll show you the neutral switch is not up. So up, down, in park. I go down to the transmission and everything works fine. You go and you can put it in neutral and back in gear. Verified that the transfer case is in neutral. And all we get is this. It'll spin over a few times. And then it's like the power kicks off. So verified all the fuse box, so the tip-em connections are made. ECM is kind of bent. Maybe the issue, I'm not sure. I love all the stitching.